If your Joy-Con lights up when you press a button but won't respond or connect, it's often caused by pairing problems, wireless issues, or hardware faults like damaged ribbon cables or capacitors. Let me show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Restart and power cycle your Joy-Con. Hold down the power button on top of your Switch for about 15 seconds to force it off. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again for 3 seconds to turn it back on. Now detach your both Joy-Con by pressing the release button on the back and sliding it upward. On the inner edge of the Joy-Con, find the small round sync button in the middle. Press it once to turn off the Joy-Con, then hold it down for 5 seconds to power cycle it. Now go to Controllers menu from your Nintendo Switch home screen. Open Change Grip/Order, then keep pressing L plus R button or SL and SR button to adjust your preferred grip order. Lights should stay on, but now try using buttons or sticks to confirm full functionality. Solution 2. Update controllers and Switch. Go to System Settings, scroll down to System. Now select System Update. Make sure your Switch is on the latest firmware, then go back up to Controllers and Sensors, and select Update Controllers. This will install any available firmware updates for your Joy-Cons, which often fix syncing problems. These are some easy fixes you can try on your own to solve the issue. But if the problem is serious or inside the hardware, it's best to contact a professional or reach out to Nintendo support. I hope this video helped you. If you want more console gaming tips, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.